The Bible says, husbands, love your wives, and wives, submit to your husbands, respect your husbands. And I always thought, well, why does he say that? Because love comes naturally to women, it does not come naturally to men. Respect comes naturally to men, it does not come naturally to women. The problem is that when conflict arises, we think that love becomes conditional and respect becomes conditional. God does not honor. He doesn't need both roads to be moving. He needs one level of obedience to draw. And very many times God will use the woman to make motion in her home, meaning that the results that you want to see are very much dependent on your obedience in spite of. Then in our disagreement, I had to honor him always as our head and always check my heart that am I going to respect him because I agree with you, or I'm going to respect who God has made you. And then I can reap the benefit of the blessing in my house.